All right, about to hit it for the plumbing. That block.
Okay.
It'll punch through that, right?
Yeah, we got the hole in it. Yeah.
Yep.
Get him, Ben.
Been in the bathroom.
Yeah. So, hey Ben, what you doing real quick for the cameras? Tell them what you're doing.
Getting ready to run the grates for the shower drain.
All right, he's finna run the branch for the shower drain, y'all. So what is that's the glue or that's the bond? That's the
glue.
The glue?
Yep.
You can smell it too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, he's coming through here. That's the toilet right there. The vanity, electrical panel down the wall, and the hot water heater was here. Washer and dryer was here. This now is gonna become a closet, okay? This will be a closet. This will be a door right here. See where it says door? It's gonna be a master bedroom on the other side of this wall. See? A toilet. Your vanity will be against this wall right here. And your shower will be right here. And then here is where the laundry room is gonna be. Your laundry room. Here. We're gonna redo all the ceilings and everything. Came through the front side, got him a little hole punched out.
That's why I cut this out of 45.
Yeah.
Get in there with the gun.
Smart guy.
What's up, brother?
We can have the open concept inside the building now. We're gonna run from the front door all the way to the kitchen. Tell me a little bit about this, Robert. What is this?
The LVL, Laminated Veneer Lumber.
Laminated Veneer Lumber. There it goes. Want to sit on this wall right here. Or neck. It's gonna.
I will get in the ceiling that comes all together.
It's on the first try, gentlemen. We got the jack. Just hold it right there, Mike. Just hold. Okay. Give us a call if you need our services. 931-241-9714.
Come to me, Ben.
You got more. My wife's a realtor. Salute all veterans. No, he don't. Felix gonna get it in there. Hold up, Felix. I'm coming on your end, Felix.
We got it. Hit it with the sledgehammer over there. No, don't worry about the 2x2. Grab the sledgehammer and hit it that way.
And then we can have the open concept inside the building now. These beams are gonna run from the front door all the way to the kitchen. Tell me a little bit about this, Robert. What is this?
It's an LVL, Laminated Veneer Lumber.
Laminated Veneer Lumber.
LPLs right now.
Okay.
Plywood stacked and glued together, all in
Yeah, I'll
veneer.
call you right back.
Stronger than steel.
right.
It will not bend.
It-
This will tote the load.
All right. I don't know. Why is it that color? Is it pressure treated or something?
It's not pressure treated, it's the glue.
It's the glue. Okay. It's going to sit on this wall right here. Horse hangers right here are going to be, it's going to go on there and it's going to connect. And it's going to hold that beam, it's going to be holding this up.
863-640-8401.
And where you work at?
Haven Building Products.
Y'all see that? And he brought the beam to us. All right. That's how, no, we definitely don't want this falling down.
It won't be fun. So 1 and 3/4, yeah, it'll just slip right past this.
So that's an inch and it total is 5 1/4.
Yeah. So if we put one up, it's gonna fall. I gotta nail it on here first.
Felix.
I would get it in the ceiling if it was all together. The trouble would be getting it out of the truck and bringing it over here, because each one of those weigh about 200 to 300 pounds. So
LVL beam in here.
1,000 teeth of time.
Equally.
Yeah.
All right, can we get this on the first try, gentlemen? We got the jack, we got the beam, we got the brace, we got Mike, we got Ben, we got Felix.
Stand it up. Pull it this way. All right, hold on.
Hold on, wait.
Hold it right there. I'm going up.
Felix, put it on the ladder, Felix. Put it on the ladder, Felix. Put it on the, there you go, take your time, we got you. Hold up, you gotta come down. Y'all gotta come down on your end. Oh. Take your time, Felix. Push it up. You in that board hitting it, Felix. Yeah. All right, now, go.
Okay, there we go.
Go.
Right there. Going up.
Just hold it right there, Mike. Just hold. Okay.
Hold on. I can get in. All right. Start going up.
We can't go up now. Yeah, come to me, Ben. You got more height up here.
No, he has to cut that board.
No, he don't. Felix gonna get it in there. Hold up, Felix. I'm coming on your end, Felix.
We got it. Hit him with the sledgehammer over. No, don't worry about the 2x6. Grab the sledgehammer and hit it that way.
Push it up. There you go. Hold it. We got it. We got past. There you go. All right, come on. They got it. Got it. Come on. No, come with that, Ben. Let Ben come with that.
Yeah, put that over here.
Come on, Ben. Good job, Ben. Ben hit that joke in there, didn't he? Yeah, he sludged it up. Hey! Let's regroup now. What we do, Felix? Hit it again, Felix. She passed that test now today. Jack it on up, Felix. Get up, Felix. I know you was happy, wasn't you? She did it. Oh, that's why she made it, right? Watch out, Mike. I want to shout out to my beautiful and lovely wife. She's been taking care of all the business and all the transactions for Radford Homes. Got it braced.
Alright, that's another one bites the dust.
That's another one biting the dust.
Let it come down.
Oh, you just turned it on its side.
Looks pretty
Boy,
nice.
you a smart man, Felix. All I gotta do is put the right people with you. Ben need to come with us. We need Ben.
We're looking at houses.
Can we
I'm with
have
the
Ben?
realtor.
The realtor. yeah. Ben say, man, that's
All
my
right,
dad.
let's check it out.
Crazy. Pouring it in, baby. Get him, Felix.
My first rodeo.
I know it's my first rodeo. I'm the rookie here. then. It came all the way up there, right? Mike, go in. Go. That means it's full. That's right. Ready? Set. It's full, so we gotta put boards up to that now. Open. That's all right. That's all right. Yeah, that's all right. Solid, so the beam can sit on top of it. Right here, be right here. That's your linen closet right there, and here's your shower.
Same thing has to be done with those, so you can see
What you putting on now?
squeezing them together.
Squeezing them together. Stump grinding. That room is a bonus room. What you mean by that? Look at that. That's for your sink right there. Your dual vanity.
Hey, this is the best painter
For real?
in the world.
So it has to be bun. Oh, they'll split open and fall. Side. Okay, so and we got what you call liquid nail.
Mike,
Running to the outside. That's the exterior wall right there. Yeah. Woo! Gotta drop down some more. Salute all veterans. Talk to you later. This is Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC. Let's go, baby. I think that's it. All right, today we are surveying land. Check it out. Well, we got the surveyor out here getting ready to close the deal on this. Surveyor got that glue in there. Came out and put that there. And I always come back and put my rebar in there. Liquid rebar. Check it out. Surveyor. All right. Doing his thing. That there ain't gonna come out. Both sides of the street. Nail down deep. We got one down there too. I know you was happy. Okay, why is it important to get a survey? You want to get a survey because you want to make sure that you mark your corners. All right? You want your corners so you can, everybody will know this is my land and this is my corner here. So what he's doing right now,
That's my homeboy Ben fence.
he's already marked the corners. So what you doing right now, Eric?
That's another one bites the dust.
Oh, curve and utilities. And his machine right there does all that for him. You gotta know how to work it though. All right, right here, as you can see, here's one of my corners, my corner lot, corner stakes. Thank you. All right, and then you'll notice that they have the rebar, the tab in the ground. It lets you know. So it's important to do a survey before you buy some land, so you'll know what you own. All right. And we're on the west side of town where I grew up at. And of course, we're buying this land here. And then across the street, he's doing both surveys for us. He's doing the survey on this side of the street, and he's doing the survey on this side of the street where my truck is. Now, Felix just cut this LVL beam. This is a $200 beam. You want to know more about that? Give us a call, 931-241-9714, Radford Homes. All right, y'all learned something today? The markers are all around. Every time you see this little marker with the stake here like that, and if you look down there where that fence is for our land, we're buying. And then at the end down there, if you notice, the driveway was on our side. They cut the driveway in half. Now we didn't do that. They did that on their own before they closed on the house, because that's their property line going this way. And this is Radford Homes property line on this side. Call 931-241-9714. Here's one corner stake. Right there. Recording everything over here, and we time lapsing over here for this land. And then There's always gonna be 4 stakes, unless you got like a triangle. Now here is the other stake right here.